Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right away by choosing 1 3-inch lengths and slightly dampening hair so strands hold. Once done, use a comb and clips to loosely divide the scalp into the pattern you want. Random freeform needs irregular sections, grid yields neater bases. Make small starter knots or tiny rubber band wraps at new roots to hold direction. Make sure to spray sea salt lightly for texture. This helps natural matting. You're initiating the process, not finishing. Move steadily and don't overtension roots. Once sections are started, you focus on encouraging tight cores. Palm roll and twist each piece daily for 5 to 10 minutes to compact fibers, and alternate gentle backcombing where needed. Make sure to use a 0.5 1mm crochet hook sparingly. Pull only loose hairs into the center once a stable knot appears to avoid thinning. Wash with residue-free shampoo 1 to 2 times weekly to remove buildup without loosening matted areas. Avoid heavy conditioners because they reverse bonding. You finish by refining formation and establishing maintenance routines. Trim stray flyaways to neaten appearance, but leave stronger cores alone so they thicken. Once most locks feel stable, refine lumps with careful teasing or minimal crochet. If you force them, you risk thin spots. Patience wins. Make sure to moisturize the scalp with a light oil and inspect roots monthly for tightness or pulling from tight bands. If a section weakens or splits, back off and let it rest. Treat problem areas gently to avoid breakage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.